Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload email list in Moosend. So to do that, first head on to Moosend website. Alright, so once you're here, just click on login and then log into your account. So I'm just going to log in with my Google account. So once you're here, you can see you have the option to create your email list. So just click on email list and give it some name. Click on create. Alright, over here on the left hand side you can see many options. Just click on perform bulk actions, and over here you can see you can import members into list. So over here just click select this, and over here you can see the various options. You can either paste text, import the Excel file or CSV file as well. So just click on select and then import our file. Alright, so we have these 50 contacts. Now click on next. Let's map this to name. So over here you can see if there was some email, you would just have to map this to email. That is how you can upload email to Moosend. You can sign up to Moosend using our link in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.